Where's the investigation?
The one behind the car.
Where's the investigation?
Okay.
Where's the investigation?
The line. You're not going to go up and interfere with their investigation.
You guys are pieces of shit. My car is totally lawful, and here it is being towed. I'm gonna sue you dumb bitches for millions now, you dumb cocksuckers. Pussies.
You make another vulgar comment in front of my employees again, you will be arrested for disorderly.
I'll take that arrest. Come on.
What's happening?
Not too much. You know this person?
Keep going forward.
What's that?
Keep going forward.
Why?
Because I said so.
Okay, I don't have to do that.
Identify yourself for me.
I'm Sergeant Benton.
Identify everybody on the scene.
No.
No? All right. You're not gonna stand behind me.
I can stand here.
No, you're not gonna stand behind me. You're not gonna intimidate me. You're not gonna stand behind me. You're not gonna give me any reason where I have to defend myself. Am I clear?
Do you have to defend yourself?
If I have to defend myself, you're not gonna give me any reason, so that's why you're not gonna stand behind me at all times.
Do you feel like
Am
you're
I
doing
clear?
the same thing over here?
Oh, absolutely. Absolutely. I feel like you're here to intimidate me.
For what?
Well, you tell me. You tell me. Don't interfere with my rights and don't intimidate me. And you better damn know, law is very clear about self-defense in the state of Washington, including me threatening to self-defense. Am I clear?
Are you in defense of something? Is there something?
I'm about to be, because looks like you're not listening to what I just said.
What are you going to defend yourself for?
From you.
For what?
Because you're a criminal tyrant.
If
You just walked up behind me for no reason at all, just to intimidate me.
If you don't want to talk to me, you don't have to talk
No, I don't. I said walk forward.
I don't have to do that.
So you better be in the position where you're not a threat to me.
You're a threat to my officer, so
How?
I'm going to be here and I'm going to be watching.
How am I a threat? Tell me, how am I a threat?
I don't know.
Let's go. Tell me, how am I a threat?
You're threatening to defend yourself against me.
Which is
so I'm
lawful.
watching you.
Which is lawful. Right? Because I don't know what you intend to do. You got your hand by your gun over here. You got your hand by your gun. You got this guy over here standing for no reason, all gloved up. What are you ready for?
Anything.
Exactly. Exactly. I'm ready for anything from tyrants like you. Because you're the ones who commit the most crimes in our country, unfortunately. And get away with them. You murder people, you kill people, you violently arrest them, you kidnap them, you hurt them. Some of them are paralyzed, some of them are in the grave, all because of the ones like you.
You get your right to your opinions.
That's right. And arrogant enough not to even identify everybody over here. Officer, you, identify yourself.
Name's Officer Hill.
All right. You guys are done? Identify yourselves.
You're dealing with their call right now. What's going on, Sergeant?
Identify yourself.
You want me to?
What's that?
Do I need to?
Not you want to? You're required to, by your policy, fool. You're asking a sergeant whether you should identify to a member of public? What's wrong with you, fool?
That's all you need to know.
Hey,
He's doing a job. If you want to
shut the hell up. I wasn't talking to you at the moment. Shut the hell up. When I'm ready to speak with you, I will speak. Otherwise, servant, shut the hell up.
What you're not going to do is interfere with their...
How am I interfering? Tell me, how am I interfering? Well, am I interfering? Am I?
Public sidewalk!
Yeah, am I interfering? How? Don't you know the law, the freedom of speech is not interference? It has to be physical? Fool!
That's why I'm having a conversation with you.
It's not a conversation. I didn't ask you to come over here.
You don't have to talk to me if you don't want to.
Oh, I can if I want to. You, on the other hand, you better damn listen to what I said. Got it? Shake your head. Yeah, like a little bubble.
I know what
Yeah? Yeah, like a little bubble, right? You know the ones that... Yeah, just shake your hand. I can do that for you too. So you better watch yourself, fool. You better watch yourself. Make sure you're visible to me at all times. Keep your hands where I can see them.
What's going on?
No, this is what's called keeping the police in check. Exercising the First Amendment right.
You're not going to park there. Okay? So go and move the cars, and then you can talk to the officers about the other stuff. But you're not going to park there.
Yeah, I'll go right down there.
pull up in front right now to address that piece and get the bike. But you can't park there.
Right. Well, we'll have to park right there and walk.
If you want to park out on Island, I think that would be the quickest way. Do you have something to tow the bike with?
Don't deal with the cars, and we'll deal with the bike.
Sounds good.
You still haven't identified them yourself.
I told you I'm Officer Martin.
No, you didn't.
I did.
No,
I
you
said
didn't.
I'm Officer Martin. And that's all you need to know.
No. You looked to your sergeant and said, should I identify myself?
And then I said I'm Officer
No,
Martin.
you didn't. I don't recall you did.
However you want to remember it, it's
Sure.
totally fine.
All right. Just make sure next time when I ask you, give me a straight answer right away. Am I clear, servant? Am I clear, sergeant? You better train those fools, otherwise I will train them. Got it? And I'm sure you've noticed, I got quite a different approach.
I agree.
Quite a different approach.
I agree.
It's very efficient. Don't even think about it. It doesn't end good for the cops. Doesn't end well. That's right.
What doesn't go well for us?
Malicious prosecutions and false arrests and kidnappings.
We know what the law is.
Are you sure? You better then follow it then. Because if you want, like I said, subsequent action doesn't end well. Or, you know what? I'm quite excited to see Golik again, so maybe you want to set up the appointment.
I don't know who you are. I don't know why you met with Golik, but yeah, you have the freedom to talk to your
But you know exactly who Golik is, right?
He's your elected official.
Right.
I'm assuming you either voted for him or you didn't vote for him. I don't know if you're a fan or
Well,
not.
you know his position, right? Of course. Oh, good. So feel free to introduce me to Golik anytime.
I don't know why you would need to talk to him, but that's your freedom of
Well, no, I'm just giving you a heads up. Just giving you a heads up. Yeah? So don't even think about accusing me of alleged interference or any other nonsense. Got it?
I don't accuse people of stuff. I tell them,
Well, you attempted to, didn't you? Yeah. You attempted to.
if you'd like to volunteer to be his attorney, if you're an attorney, I can definitely give him your information.
All right, let's go over there. I'll talk to him.
Are you an attorney?
No, I don't have to be. I don't have to be to give people legal knowledge.
To represent people.
Well, I'm not going to represent them. I can simply advise him. I can inform him about his constitutional rights, which what it seems right now is most likely you're conducting an interrogation without the presence of a licensed attorney. Isn't that what I'm observing? Isn't that what I'm observing? Look, you got two cops on him right now, interrogating him now for the last 10 minutes or so, without the presence of an attorney.
Tell me what law requires him to have an attorney.
Well, did he waive his rights?
Tell me what law.
Did you hear him waive his rights? That means if he did not waive his rights are intact.
There isn't a law.
Did you inform him of his rights? Did you tell him that he has a right to have an attorney present during any questioning?
I've been here with you.
Right. But did your officers do that? Go educate them. Go tell your subordinate officers, right? Because you're a sergeant, you're their supervisor, to make sure that your detainee, whether he is arrested or detained, has every constitutional right. And he can invoke those rights and re-invoke those rights if he has waived any of them. Sounds like I'm a smart man, don't you think? Right. Nothing to answer on that point, is there? Nothing to answer. And they keep interrogating the guy. Look at that. They keep interrogating him. And that's how you violate your own oath of office. An oath to the Constitution. And that's why I simply say, traitors to the United States Constitution. And yeah, There's a good possibility that there was a legitimate stop. I don't doubt it. I don't know for a fact. What I do know is you cannot continue to violate anyone's rights in the process, because the due process has to be preserved. Right.
You can do a PDR, you can get the videos, you can analyze that if you'd like to.
Sure can. I can also create my own. Right here, right? So what's the stop?
I appreciate you acknowledging that
What is the stop?
we're not going to discuss this now, but I appreciate the acknowledgement of that there is legal process and legal ability to stop and detain. Whether you agree with other pieces of it,
That's why I pay my taxes, so you do that. That's your duty. But when your duty goes beyond what you're allowed to do by law, which a lot of times you officers, and not specifically you, you violate, that's when it becomes a problem and a big issue.
can we just... in
And
our
forget the
dialogue,
term, listen, don't insult us citizens always by telling us auditors.
I would rather have a conversation by first name.
No, we're not gonna go by first
My
name.
name's
We're not friends.
It's not about being friends, but it's about having a conversation.
We're not
and
friends.
being respectful about it.
And we're not friendly.
You don't have to...
You can call me citizen, you can call me sir. That is sufficient. But I'm sure you're gonna do your own investigation.
I don't think I need to.
Maybe you already know. Right? Maybe you already know. That's good. I'll keep you all in check. Now I'm gonna go listen to the conversation
You're
over
gonna stay
here.
here.
Well, they're allowed?
Nope.
They're allowed? Who are these individuals?
Investigation.
What are they
They're
part of
doing
the
an
investigation? What
This
investigation
is a
are they
traffic
part
stop.
of?
You can stay back here
Right.
behind the line.
So what are they investigating?
Okay.
Tell me what they're
You can move back
investigating.
behind the line.
What line?
Back where we were at.
Where's
right
the
there.
investigation?
The one behind the car.
Where's the investigation?
Okay.
Where's
You
the
can move back behind
investigation?
the line. You're not going to go up and
What?
interfere with their investigation.
How about those individuals? What are they doing? Are they allowed?
They're involved in this at this point.
How?
That's not...
They're not part of the traffic stop? Are they part of the traffic stop?
Okay.
Come on, tell me, are they part of the traffic stop?
That the line's back there.
What line?
That line right there. Behind the police car.
This line?
The same place where I was allowing you to be before.
Oh. Same place.
So, the same place
I
was
can't
allowing you
hear
to be
what
before.
they're saying.
So back up to this line.
I'm behind the car.
And back up to the line.
I'm
That's the
behind the
same
car.
place I said.
I'm behind the car, fool.
So I said the line, which was behind the car. Okay?
It is public sidewalk. You cannot make your own lines. Put up tape then.
So, are you gonna back up behind the line?
What are you gonna
that
do?
I
You're gonna
advised
arrest
you?
me?
Well, that
Because
would
if
be
the
the
people,
next step.
are they allowed to walk? Because they're not part of this.
Right now,
Yeah, right now what?
I gave you directions,
And?
and you're not doing it.
Tell me, you're gonna arrest
So
me?
you're failing to obey what I've told you.
Then what are you gonna do?
So, at some point,
All right.
I'm gonna make a decision.
Let's
to do
play.
something
Let's
else.
play a game. We're gonna do a dance game here.
I'm not about a dance game.
Well, I am.
So I appreciate
I
you
am.
following through on what I gave.
I am gonna play a game. If there's,
Give unlawful order.
if they walk back and forth one more time, if those two individuals who are not part of the traffic stop, if they're going to be allowed without being threatened to be under arrest, because that's what you implied, all right? If I stand here, let's double check. If I stand behind this makeup line, okay? Makeup line. If I stand, you're gonna do what? Answer the question. You're gonna do what?
Put up tape or back off.
You're gonna do what? I'm listening. If I step here, what are you gonna do? Which I just did. Right. So this is just tactic of intimidation. Correct? Because I can't hear an answer. There's not gonna be an arrest.
I already gave you an answer.
What's the answer? I didn't hear the answer. What are you gonna do? You're gonna arrest me? You're gonna arrest me for disobeying your unlawful order? Order that is under threat of arrest for intimidation? Because they're clearly walking around. They're not part of this investigation. Right? It's only selective towards me. Correct? Only selective towards me. Then what is it? So if I want to say, for example, I'm actually choosing right now to walk forward. Am I allowed? Is the sidewalk blocked off? Am I allowed to walk forward? Oh great, the investigation is over. The detainee is gone. Kiss my ass. Detainee is gone.
Until we're done.
You're done. Detainee is done. You tell me when the investigation is over. They're gone. They're left with him. What else are you investigating? What else are you investigating, fool? You better say it. What else are you investigating? Detainee has been moved from its location. I want to know what is still being investigated. Tell me. What else is being investigated? Clearly intimidation. Clearly. Now, you know, when you impede my free movement, you're already violating my
You're
constitutional
already
rights.
behind the line.
What line? What investigation, fool?
already
It's
gave
over.
you the line.
Okay, tell me.
So,
now, tell
right
me.
now,
What is
If
the
you cross it,
investigation?
I'm not going to stay here. If you come across and disobey the order that I've given to you,
Then what? Then what? Let's address it now, fool. Let's address it now. Come on. Let's address it even more.
What would you do if an officer ordered you to move while you were filming from a public sidewalk? Under the First Amendment, citizens generally have the right to record police performing official duties in public, provided they do not physically interfere. The Fourth Amendment protects against unreasonable seizures, while the Fifth Amendment protects the right to remain silent. In this encounter, officers appear focused on scene control and safety, while the citizen repeatedly questions the legal basis for movement restrictions and detention. The key issue is whether the restriction was supported by lawful authority or merely an exercise of discretion.
You can't tow my vehicle off of private property. What gives you the right to tow a vehicle off private property?
If you pulled into your driveway,
This is private property.
I can still tell.
It's private property. You cannot tow a vehicle off of private property. I want to see the delegation that gives you guys the authority to tow a vehicle off of private property. You guys cannot tow a vehicle off of private property. No, this is not a public road. This is private property. You guys can't tow a vehicle off private property. So what? The fact that it's on private means you can't tow it off of private property. If you tow my vehicle, I'm going to sue your tow company. You cannot tow it off of private property.
Quarters? Yes, ma'am. Yes, we're here in Brownsburg.
If you tow my vehicle, I will hold your company liable on the lawsuit. They are unlawfully towing my car. I've got everything I need. They are towing it unlawfully. If you're a part of it, I will sue you and your company. I'm going to sue your company. You might want to call the owner of your company and tell them I will sue them. I'm suing everybody. You think it's funny, you dumb motherfucker, but I know what the fuck I'm doing, you dumb cocksucker. They are unlawfully towing my car. I am notifying you that they are unlawfully towing my car. I've got insurance, I've got driver's license, I've got license plates. They pulled me over a fucking headlight. If you tow my car, you will be part of the lawsuit. You're a piece of shit, you know that? Yeah, thank you. You guys are pieces of shit. My car is totally lawful, and here it is being towed. I'm gonna sue you dumb bitches for millions now, you dumb cocksuckers. Pussies. Wanda, let's go. Quit talking to these fucking pigs. Let's go. Fuck you guys. Get the fuck away from me. 6 feet, you bitch. 6 feet, you bitch. Don't follow me, you fucking pussies. Get the fuck out of here. Go extort somebody else, you fucking pansies. Pussy ass bitches. You're a piece of shit, you short motherfucker. I bet they bullied the shit out of you at school, you fucking pussy. Because I would have stuffed your ass in a locker, you fat piece of shit.
What matters more, the location of the car or the legal reason police ordered it removed? The Fourth Amendment requires vehicle seizures to be reasonable, but being on private property does not automatically defeat a lawful impound. From the officer's perspective, towing may be justified if the driver could not lawfully operate the vehicle or if another recognized impound basis applied. From the citizen's perspective, she may challenge whether the tow had a valid basis and whether standardized procedures were followed. Because the video omits that justification, it cannot establish an unlawful tow by itself.
In regards to Officer Myers, badge number 7223 from the town of Beloit Police, abusing his officers here are allowing it. Same thing as Rockford, just a different thing. I'm here to work the story. This guy deserves a voice, and I'm here to give him his voice. I'm here to ask questions. It's not against the law to ask police officers questions. Police ask you guys questions all day long. Oh yeah, the guy was arrested. They never brought out a supervisor. The guy asked for a supervisor. The cop downright refused the supervisor and said he could do whatever he wants because he can, and broke the guy's window, arrested him, impounded his stuff, dropped the charges against him, and he's got to pay for his stuff. You know, what these officers did is absolutely wrong. Officer Myers, whatever you want to pronounce his name, absolutely abused his authority and badge. And like I said, I'm up here to get some answers. That's my job. Now they got me waiting. The chief said she wasn't answering the questions, and they sent me a lieutenant, and the lieutenant's out of office. So I told him I'm waiting. So that's what we're doing, we're waiting. Because we're going to get some answers. Like I said, I got the right office. Because the officer involved is right there in the middle. Right there. Right there. So this is definitely the office. Yes, sir.
Come on in.
Yes, sir. You the lieutenant, sir?
I'm the lieutenant here, yeah.
Name is Ricky. I do Rockford Scanner, up here to ask some questions, sir.
All right.
I'm pretty sure you already know what is involved. Officer Myers.
Do you have anything illegal on you?
Illegal?
Yeah.
I got a knife. It's not illegal.
Well, can you take your hands out of your...
Yes, sir. I'm not a
Let's
threat,
have a
sir.
seat here.
Well, you think I'm a threat because I'm holding the camera?
I don't think you're a threat.
All right, so
you
you're asking me I have...
All right, you don't want to talk, you can leave.
I'm asking
you can
questions.
talk over me if you would like. Or we can talk and actually have a conversation. So what's up?
Does this officer right there work for your department?
Yes, he does.
Is his name Officer Myers 7223?
Yes, he does.
Yes, sir. All right, thank you for confirming that. I got the right department. Is it department policy to sit there and refuse a supervisor when asked?
If you have a supervisor working,
So-
you can come. But requesting a supervisor doesn't stop everything.
All right.
If an officer is in the act of arresting somebody, then they can definitely refuse to have a supervisor come.
All right. Is it department policy to break out people's windows because they
If they're going
refuse?
to be placed under arrest.
But he wasn't
So
arrested,
hold
though.
on. Where are we going with this? What's this
I'm just
all
asking questions. I'm working the story on Mr. Polk and Mr. Myers, and they tell me you're the one that's got answers.
So what do you need to know?
Why was he pulled over?
So there's a video obviously going around, and it's not factual.
It's not factual video. Are you saying the video is edited or lying? There's clear video of
So
everything.
the officer pulled over the subject for a headlamp that was out,
During the daytime, right?
and he had, hold on, you're gonna ask a question,
Yes, sir. I'm waiting for an answer, sir.
and he had warrants. So the warrants that he subsequently was arrested for was the basis of the stop.
But the officer said the probable cause was headlight that was out. It clearly says it in the video, shows it in the video.
So the headlamp was also out.
But he shows in the video
Hold
that
on.
it was not out.
Hold on,
Though.
just listen.
I'm listening, sir.
So part of it too was if we tell somebody that they have a warrant and we feel like,
But you didn't tell me you had a warrant.
hold on, it doesn't matter. He was told to get out. He was lawfully told to get out. He refused to get out.
I wouldn't get out for the officer if he refused a supervisor as well. I'd fear for my life.
Well, and that's why he had the window broken.
And so you break windows because
When we arrest people and we lawfully detain them and we
Yes,
tell
sir.
them to follow our instructions and they don't,
I understand.
we will use the authority to break their window and get them out of the car.
Yeah. All right, that's all I really needed to know, sir. So,
Okay. All right.
how long has Officer Myers worked for you guys?
He's been here a couple of years now.
How many complaints does he have against him?
You'd have to file an open
Oh,
records.
FOIA? You guys got FOIA things here?
Yeah, we did.
All right.
Like all law enforcement.
Yes,
does.
sir. I understand. I'm very familiar with them. Can I file one, please?
File
FOIA for Officer Myers' complaints, previous
a,
complaints.
sure, you can get the forms here. Let's get you back to the front.
Thank you, sir. That's all I needed, sir. Thank you. Not gonna shake my hand?
We don't shake
You don't
hands.
shake hands?
No, we do not.
All right, look at it. I'm trying to shake dude's hand. Dude's not shaking my fucking hand. Fuck off, dude.
Well, listen, we do arrest for disorderly conduct. So you need to have this well known right now. We don't shake hands with people because it's like we don't do deals with people.
I'm not dealing. I'm asking.
I want you to
questions.
understand
I'm working the story.
what I'm getting at here. You make another vulgar comment in front of my employees again, you will be arrested for disorderly
I'll
conduct.
take that arrest. Come on, arrest me.
I just
Arrest me, sir. Arrest me. I
told
dare
you.
you.
You make another vulgar
Oh, I'm telling you,
comment
arrest me.
in front of our employees.
I'm making a vulgar comment, sir. Arrest me. Arrest me. You're gonna sit there and threaten
So,
arrest? Arrest me
I
right
will
here.
arrest you if you
All
make
right.
another vulgar comment. I just
Vulgar
told you.
comment. There you go.
Yeah.
Now I made it.
So obviously you came here to
No, I
cause trouble.
Cause
So
trouble
now,
by asking questions.
once you're given the form, your official reason for being here is gone. Do you understand me? We do not allow loitering.
Not loitering. I'm waiting for a
So once
Freedom
you
of
get this
Information
form,
Act.
we're good to go. Do you understand?
Oh, I see exactly how the town of Beloit is. And I see exactly what they're talking about. You gonna arrest me, sir? Vulgar comment, sir. Vulgar comment.
Across these three encounters, the central lesson is not who speaks the loudest, but who preserves the strongest legal position. In Vancouver, the disputed police line and sidewalk restriction earn officers a C and the citizen a C+, because both sides raised legitimate concerns, but allowed the exchange to become confrontational. In Brownsburg, the missing basis for the vehicle tow leaves police at C and the citizen at D+, because challenging authority was reasonable, but repeated insults weakened the argument. In Beloit, the department provided a clearer explanation for the arrest and broken window, earning police a B-, while the journalist receives a C for obtaining answers before escalating over a handshake. The intelligent solution is simple: record, ask precise questions, preserve evidence, request records, remain calm, and challenge questionable conduct through policy, courts, and documented facts, not personal provocation. For the next real-world breakdown, select the video appearing on screen and continue through the ID Refusal Pro series.